What's up, guys? Nate said I'm not allowed to drive bashing trucks anymore. Just watch the last video. So I'm going with a crawler today. Hey everyone, I'm Abby.
I'm Nate behind the camera today.
Amelia's taking a nap. Popeye is back home. We are the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. I have my Red Cat Racing Gen 8 Scout 2 here with the installed smoke machine. And I have my new stickers. Look at that.
Yeah.
So nice. Got our old stickers and I got my family on the back.
Like
I love that. If you guys want some RC Sailor stickers and you want to support us, go check out our Patreon page. It'll be linked in the description box below. August 1st, we're going to get ready to send out our new stickers to everybody. So make sure you're signed up now so you get billed August 1st and we're gonna send those out. I have yet to drive this thing because I wanted the smoke machine installed and I was waiting on our new stickers. So it's still brand spanking new, looks so good. So this is my maiden run with this. Look where we're at there, guys. This is incredible. Nate and I were out a couple weeks ago and stumbled across this bashing ground. I guess
Bashing heaven.
Bashing heaven?
Yes.
So we decided to start small with a crawler, but we are gonna take every single truck we've ever owned here.
Yeah.
And look at that ramp right there.
Yeah.
Look at that hill with all those.
That's amazing.
On the hill. I mean, this is gonna be spectacular. Spectacular. So let's run the Gen 8 and have some fun. And that fan you'll hear this whole video, that's the smoke machine.
It's actually an air compressor, miniature air compressor.
Oh, no.
That is a bad start.
That's a bad start.
I can hear the rubber tires digging into that dirt.
Oh, I shouldn't have done that.
That's okay. It's okay. Easy, easy.
Uh-oh.
That's a steep hill. Nice. Oh.
What was over?
Oh. Someone said we'd have less clearance with the smoke tailpipe there, and you see it's just a little bit of smoke. When you're outside running, it's not as obvious as our installation video we did. But someone said we'd have less clearance with that, and that's a little bit true. But you can take it off so easily. I don't know, Abby, I'm really liking the blue.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, really, we may end up trading someday.
I love this side decal for a sticker.
Me too.
It works so well.
Yeah, me too. Well, look at this long open stretch of road. We have infinite possibilities with this, don't we?
Oh yeah.
Wow. How do you like driving your very own Scout 2?
Oh, it's awesome. I've been smiling this whole time.
Yeah.
It looks so good. I wasn't sure how I felt about the blue, but I really like it. I think the only way I'd like it more, and I've seen it customized this way, is instead of the black decals down the side with the stripes and everything, I've seen it white and it looks really good.
I like the black. I like that. But yeah, the white would look good there, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it pops a little bit better.
See, when you're outside and you've got just a little bit of smoke coming out, it really looks cool. A little bit more scale. We have to bring bashers here. This is such a cool new spot.
There's no way. You see how steep that is right there?
You got this. If you go straight up, I think you got it. Look at that clearance. Wow. I wasn't paying much attention. About smacked me. You said there's no way and it just climbed right up it.
I didn't think it would do it.
Hit it one more time. I mean, look how steep it actually is here. This is why she thought it wouldn't go up it. Okay, go ahead. Especially the top. There you go. Nice. And those RC Sailor stickers look so good. Nice. Good job. Oh, this will be such a good ramp for a basher. Cool. Oh, there's a good, nice. Coming down this side. Big roll of caution tape. This one, yeah, you probably can't get that. Look at that. Oh man. No. Nothing could climb that. Well, basher could maybe ramp up it. Yeah, look, the wheels are not even touching. Look at that. Oh, you just rolled it. Oh, good save. Woo! Wow, this place is cool, Abby. Imagine doing like an axial fest here.
That would be cool.
It could be very manageable. Big event like that. That's a cool spot. Nice. Oh. Well, I let you drive my Scout. I think you need to let me drive your Scout.
Fine. Nice. Good job, Nate.
Thanks. It could have easily rolled there, huh?
Yeah.
All right, let's go down this little hill. I think we need to very quickly hit up some of this bigger hill. Which part do you think we should go on? The outside or the inside?
The middle, right there.
Right in the middle. Okay.
All right, let's see if Nate can make it up the big hill.
I don't know. When I get way up there, I'm not sure how it's going to do. This is a tough spot here.
Yes, it is.
Okay, did it, no problem. When I get up here though, I got a lot of thick brush, and I just don't know if it can do that. Nope.
Oh no! Back up. Find a new path.
It is very hot out here, Abby.
Yes, it is.
But, hey, I'd say that counts. There's a lot of thick brush at the very top of that. Guys, what we'll have to do is bring some bashers back and really conquer this hill way up here.
All right, give me my truck back.
Okay.
My truck, my turn. Looks like our truck is on fire from all that work.
Just the smoke coming out. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll definitely have to come back here with bashers. This is so fun. I mean, can you imagine like the J3 full throttle up this hill? Whoopsies.
What was that? Oh, water bottle.
Just,
yeah.
It ramped up our big hill. Let's see it actually ramp on a hill. We'll have this linked in the description box below, along with our stickers over on our Patreon page, and I guess we'll link the smoke machine too for you guys, because we love it. It's so cool. It's so scale looking. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!